Welcome to the Throttle channel that brings you an alluring motor vehicle experience. Today we bring you new Lexus LX570 features, performance, and off-road capability. The Lexus LX570 has always been a titan in the world of luxury SUVs. For years it made a unique promise: give buyers the highest levels of comfort and refinement, but fuse it with the legendary, go-anywhere capability of its alter ego, the Toyota Land Cruiser. Now that it's been replaced by the new LX600, with its modern twin-turbo V6, we have to ask some crucial questions about the V8-powered 570 generation that ran from 2008 to 2021. Is this old-school charmer still the king of capable, high-end SUVs on the used market? What did you really get for your money? And how does it hold up today? We're going to explore its powerful V8, check out every inch of its luxurious cabin, and then, we're leaving the pavement behind to see if this icon can still conquer the wild. This is a deep dive into a modern legend. Exterior design. The first thing that hits you about the LX570 is its sheer presence. Let's be honest, this is not a subtle machine. It's huge, unapologetically boxy, and designed to command the road. Standing over 6 feet tall and stretching nearly 16.5 feet long, it has a footprint that makes other SUVs look small. Up front, the design is dominated by the signature Lexus spindle grille, which, on a canvas this large, is incredibly bold. Later models from the 2016 facelift onward got aggressive LED headlights and sharp daytime running lights that gave it a more modern, chiseled look. The heart of the beast: V8 performance. Underneath that massive hood lies the heart and soul of the LX570, a 5.7-liter, naturally aspirated V8 engine. This is an engine from a different era, before turbochargers and hybrids took over the luxury world. It puts out a healthy 383 horsepower and 403 pound-feet of torque. The on-road experience. Step inside, close the solid, bank vault-like door, and the chaos of the outside world just disappears. The on-road experience in an LX570 is defined by one word: isolation. Lexus packed this thing with sound-deadening material, and the result is a cabin that is incredibly quiet at highway speeds, which is pretty amazing for a vehicle with the aerodynamics of a cinder block. You're floating along in your own cocoon of comfort. The ride quality is exceptional, thanks to its sophisticated suspension. The LX570 features an electro-hydraulic system with adaptive dampers and automatic height control. In comfort mode, it glides over potholes and broken pavement, shrugging off bumps that would send shudders through lesser vehicles. Inside the lap of luxury. The interior is where the LX570 truly separated itself from its Land Cruiser sibling and justified that luxury price tag. Where the Land Cruiser is tough and utilitarian, the LX is opulent and exquisitely crafted. Nearly every surface is covered in soft semi-aniline leather, real wood trim, and high-quality materials. The seats are fantastic, wide, plush, and endlessly comfortable, putting it to the test off-road capability. This is where the Lexus LX570 proves its worth and silences any critics. It may be wrapped in leather and wood, but underneath, it is a ferociously capable off-road machine. It all starts with a full-time four-wheel drive system, a 2-speed transfer case with a dedicated low range, and a lockable torsion center differential. With the air suspension jacked up to its highest setting, the LX570 boasts impressive ground clearance, letting it crawl over rocks and ruts that would stop most other luxury SUVs in their tracks. Another brilliant feature is turn assist, which can brake the inside rear wheel in a tight turn, allowing this massive SUV to pivot with a surprisingly small turning circle, a lifesaver on narrow trails. Subscribe to our channel.